it's Noe with WTI, and if you're looking for a versatile pair of shoes that don't sacrifice style or comfort, then you're gonna wanna check out this pair from Urban Sport. Right out of the box, you're absolutely gonna love this pair. With the metallic gold against the white, it's absolutely beautiful. It makes for a very sporty and stylish look. Now let's talk comfort. These shoes right out of the box were very easy to wear. They were super comfortable and did not give me any blisters. I love the traction at the bottom and on the back of the shoe. It might seem slick at first, but once you hit the pavement outside, it definitely scuffs it up and provides that traction you want and need. I found that these shoes were perfect whether I was going out and about for the day, working out, or going on a walk. These shoes definitely met my needs. These shoes were very easy to clean, so don't be afraid to get white. The material really lends itself well to that. For sizing, I'm usually a 7.5 in a shoe, but I got them in a size 7 and I found that they were perfect fit. These beautiful, sporty, and comfortable pair of shoes exceeded my expectations. I love them and I think you'll love them too. And that's my point of view.